Glossophobia. Did you know what is meant by glossophobia? Glossophobia, or speech anxiety, is the fear of public speaking. The average person ranks the fear of public speaking, also known as glossophobia, higher than the fear of death. The truth is, this fear could be hurting your professional and personal life. You may have been there before. You feel nervous, your palms sweat, your stomach ties itself into knots, or teeming with the butterflies. You don't want to do it, but you can overcome your fear of public speaking with these simple public speaking tips. So today, me, Saidatul Lubis binti Abdul Malek, and my two other friends, which is Iliya, Aqilah, and Masturina, we are here today to share to all of you some tips or some ways how to overcoming your fear of public speaking. So the first ways how to overcoming your public speaking is practice and prepare thoroughly. How are you gonna prepare your public speaking stage? Okay, you can prepare your public speaking stage by making a script of your speech in advance. For example, you can write out a script of your key points and try to elaborate it and try to remember it. But remember it, don't read from the script word from word when you are in your stage. You can just take a little glance on it. And the next is how you're gonna practice it. You can practice your public speaking stage by practice in front of a mirror. You can rehearse several times before your big talk. For example, you can stand in front of your mirror. You practice and you all out all of your public speaking, and remember it. Pay attention to your facial expressions, gestures, and your body movements. Thank you. That's all for me. So now I would like to pass to the next presenter, Iliya Aqilah, and she will tell you briefly the next way how to overcoming your fears of public speaking, which is don't overthink your audience reactions and also find a friend to focus on.
Thank you, Aish, and also thank you to all the audience because you're still at your same place to share our speech today. Okay, let's move to the next slide. We're still in the same topic, which is how to overcome your fears of public speaking. Okay, as you can see in the slide is my point. Do not overthink audience reaction. What is overthink audience reaction? Before this, I have met a few of students who need to deliver their speech on the stage. They kept saying like this: what if my audience hate my speech? What if my audience get bored with my speech? What if the audience boo me on the stage? Okay, it's too many what if that they keep thinking until they get nervous when they need to face their audience. So here I want to tell you, please eliminate all of your fears of rejection from the audience. Because of what? None of this negative reaction can do with you, can do with your speech. Okay, so just ignore all of the negative reactions and just do your best to deliver the best speech to the audience. When you are on the stage, please calm your mind, calm yourself, and just think positive. Okay, because for me, yawning, bad expression, and also the similar of negative reactions like this are normal at your audience face. Because of what? Maybe they are tired, maybe they didn't get enough sleep last night, maybe they are tired with their words, we don't know. So why do you think that they hate your speech? So here I want to tell you, just think positive, and if there are any negative reactions after you deliver your speech, just take it and improve your style of public speaking in the future. Okay, so just think positive. Okay, let's move to the next point is find friend to focus on. How to find a friend to focus on? Okay, let me give you an example. If one day you need to deliver a speech on the stage in front of the audience, I suggest you to bring 3 friends to hear to your speech. Why? Because you will get spirit, you will get more confidence when you have friends. Your friend will support you. Okay, and then you place them at 3 different places, here, here, and here. Okay, because of what? When you deliver a speech, when in the public speaking, you need to keep connect with your audience. So you need to see them eye to eye. So with your friends, when your friends are there, you can look at your friends. When you need to introduce yourself, you can look at your friends, and the audience will think that you are looking at them. The audience will not notice that you are looking at your friends, but they feel that you are looking at them. So they will focus on you, they will focus to your speech. Okay, so and you also can ask your friends, or maybe ask the audience if you're brave. If you get more confident, you can ask your audience to keep connect with your audience and to make sure that they understand what you want to talk about. Okay, so I think the best way is you bring your friends, so you will get more confidence and the audience will not notice that you are nervous. Okay, so that's all from me. Let's move to Masturina, which is the last presenter, who will talk about the last point to overcome your fear of public speaking. The point is pick a subject that you care about. So that's all from me. Let's move to her. Thank you.
Thank you to presenter 1 and presenter 2. So now I'm gonna tell you my point on how to overcome the fear of public speaking. So my point is, pick a subject that you really care about. When in public speaking, you should pick a subject that you really care about to get rid of your fear. The subject should have an inordinate impact on you, so that you can recall what did you've gained from it and how does it impact you. And then share it with others and intensely feel what others could benefit from your knowledge, so that you'll never be fear in talking anymore. Next, explain more details on what topic you are saying, so that you're not gonna be thinking about your fear anymore, and audience also will understand more about what you're gonna say, so that you're not gonna stuck in your public speaking. For me, I do think that it is normal to be fear of something, although it may depend on someone. And I do think that every problem or fear has its own way to overcome. As a conclusion, let me briefly restate all of our points in this presentation. First, practice and prepare thoroughly. And second, don't overthink your audience reaction. And third, find a friend to focus on. And lastly, pick a subject that you really care about. I hope these points will help you to overcome your fear of public speaking. And that's all from us. Thank you.